What's up, guys? So we are headed to Atlanta, and it's just me. Today's Monday, and it's about to be 10:30, and I'm just now leaving the house. And I got a 3-hour drive to Atlanta, or to where I'm gonna stay, which is at the on the public land where I'm at. So we got a good 3-hour drive ahead of us. So hopefully everything goes good and we can make it there and get up and get at them in the morning. See y'all. It's in the big city, boys. And old Pearl. Yes, we're doing a good job, girl. What's up, guys? So finally made it. Getting it warmed up in here. Got my cot already, sleeping bag, a couple blankets, and a gun. It's getting a little toasty in here, but doing pretty good so far. It was a good drive. Nothing bad happened. So that's good. So I guess I'm gonna get some sleep and get up in the morning. It's like about to be like 2 o'clock. So yeah. See you when the sun rises. Alright, guys, so we made it and had a good night last night. So we're out here. I'm back where me and George were before. I'm gonna sit up on that log right there. Overlooking all this. There's a stream right there. So gonna climb up there. Alright, guys, we ain't seen nothing at all. That's where I've been, just come from. I don't really think there's that many deer in there to begin with, but who knows. I just like hunting there because it's pretty, all the hills and stuff. From where I'm from, it's just flat, so it's pretty cool to be in a different type of hill country or whatever you want to call it. But we're getting some breakfast made up. It ain't nothing special, just raisin bran and peanut butter and some sausage. That's about it. I'm gonna finish up here and go to my aunt and uncle's house down the road, see them for a little bit, and then we'll go to a different spot where I found me and George found some big old rubs. So I'm gonna go down there and try to get in that little spot. And tomorrow will be our last day, whole day anyways. So yeah, we'll finish up here, go see my aunt and uncle, and then get back at it. So this is where we're going to be camped out for the night. Pretty out in the middle of nowhere, really. Took about a mile drive down some trails to get down here. So we're going to head back in there where we found those rubs last year and sit down for the rest of the night, rest of the evening. It's about to be 3 o'clock. So hopefully we'll see something. Got some deer tracks. George shot one when we was walking back last year. We was walking back down the road, and I said it'd be some crap if we seen a deer or birds just run across the road. And sure enough, right after I said that, a dude walked out. I'm talking about he like daggone cowboy slinged his gun off of him and shot that girl right in the head. Craziest thing I've seen. So we're gonna take it easy getting back here. And maybe something might walk across and we'll get a shot. Alright guys, we're set up in a little spot where the rubs are back that way. And it's just this open little kind of open spot. As soon as I sat down, I seen a strap on a tree right here in front of me. And I guess somebody else knows about the deer that's in here. I've seen the rubs too, because it's right here in front of me. This is stuff that happens when you hunt public land. So we're gonna sit here the rest of the night and see if we see anything. Alright guys, well this is gonna do it for today's video. I ain't seen nothing else walking around. Walked around the outside of the lake. It was pretty nice. Still didn't really find anything, but not many people pull up here in the morning. I met two guys a while ago, and they weren't hunting back there. So if it's just them guys that show up in the morning, I'm gonna go to a spot that's close to where I found where that other dude was, or has his chair and stuff. So yeah, be the last night in the truck for this week. Go hunt all day tomorrow and then go home tomorrow night. That way I can go home in the night time so the traffic ain't bad. So we'll catch you on the next video.